So definitely I just made this perfectly. Now here the latest post area, I'm just clicking on the notepad, and here I'm removing all of them, all of that posts. I will just leave only one post there because all that posts are not really important. So now pressing enter, and here actually I just want to open the PHP, and then I'm just typing SQL and equal to, and then you know that what I have to do is select all from posts where author, okay, we are just checking the author name. uh, we are actually just mentioning the author name as email address. Go there and you can see that if I just click on post, now you can see this is the author name. So I'm just going to the notepad back, and actually where author is equal to now the dollar and session. Okay, the session user is actually the author. So press enter and run, and mysqli, oh, not in this way, mysqli query, oh, equal to sign, and then mysqli query, and then cover that, and here the CONN and SQL sign, and then press enter, while loop, and then dollar rows and equal to mysqli fetch a sock. Okay, cover that. Now dollar sign and run this, press enter, and I'm just gonna add some more things there, obviously the echo, and then just copying this whole row there, cutting and pasting there, and then just adjust this and save that and go to the browser and refresh that. How much rows I'm just getting? I'm just getting 3 rows. So now don't show, I'm just adding another clause here as well, where author is equals to user, and now the another thing is and. Okay, we can add multiple rows, or we can add actually multiple conditions in the SQL query. So and status is equal to published. Okay, so now save that and refresh that. Now I'm just getting only one because only one is published and all of the other are in draft mode. So for now I'm just actually that creating a variable number again and equal to 1, and now here I'm just calling that variable number. Okay, and here I'm just incrementing it, not this thing, number plus plus, and this is okay. So now at the place of date, what I'm just getting here, dollar rows, and then the date. Save that. The date is actually in the database. Here is the date. You can see that. And at the place of image, I'm removing the image. Okay, so actually that we are inside the admin panel, so we have to use the back directory link. So you can see that this is not in the database. So now there I'm removing this address and actually just adding the dollar rows and then image, but actually don't remove these periods and the semicolon because we need the back directory. And instead of the first post, what I'm just gonna do is actually dollar, sorry, yeah, dollar and rows, and then title, and then cover that. And actually instead of this lorem ipsum, what I'm just going to do is actually adding the function. I'm not removing the dots. Okay, these are the strings, and actually just for showing that something more in the post, by the way. Now in the first way, we have to use 3 parameters, and in the first parameter I'm just typing rows, and then description, and then in the second one from 0 to 50. Perfect. Now here what I have to type, for example, I have to do some more things there, but right now I'm just showing you what we can do. I'm just simply typing category, okay, and there as the author name, what I'm just gonna type here, dollar session, oh, not actually not the session, just directly the name. Okay, now save this. The name is actually, what is the name? Actually, I'm just getting through the session, and here you know that I'm just creating this variable. We can see that here is this the name. Okay, so go to the browser and actually refresh that. Now I'm just getting the date, I'm just getting the image, the first and everything, but here the category is 2. I know the 2 means nature, but this is not a good thing. So definitely we have to join the category table, because in the post table the thing is that we are just getting the post table there. Okay, here definitely, but the category name is not in the post table. Only the category ID is in the post table. The category name is on the category table. So here I'm just joining the table. First of all, I'm just duplicating this and just actually ignoring the second one or first one, whatever. And here I'm just typing, I'm just actually here I'm removing this where. I will call this again, but by the way, select all from post, P join. Okay, I just to create a shortcut name for P, post is P, and then join with the category C, which is the base. Now the base is C dot CID is equal to P dot category. Okay, the name of the category field of the post and the CID field of the category or same, and then press any space, and then now just add the where clause. Okay, now let's just type where. You just remember that we just checked the author and the status. So here I'm just typing where is the author. You know that we just collected 2 tables, so author is in the post table. So let's just type where p dot author. Okay, so when you just collect or join 2 tables, you have to mention that from which table you just actually searching something. So where the author is equal to dollar session, I will type the same things here, user, and the p dot status is on p as well, is equal to published. I just typed the same as previous, but only one thing I just changed, that I just mentioned that from which table I'm talking about. Now let's just refresh that, and what happened there? Nothing new. So now this is still the category, but if I just type still the category name, so the meaning that category name is not in this table, in the post table, it is on the category table, the category name. So let's just go there and refresh that. Now I'm just getting the category name as well. It should be in capital, so you see first, cover that, and then just cut this line, the whole thing, and paste that here, and then refresh that, the nature. Okay, so then everything is fine. We did this perfectly. Something more I just wanted you for, we will learn some more things, so stay tuned and goodbye.